happy birthday to me. Today is February 24th, so it's my birthday, celebrating my 33rd birthday on this earth. I do have to thank God for that, for letting me see another year. We all know, like, this world is whirling, and once we're alive, we have to get up and give God thanks every day. So thank you, God, for that. And also, I know you guys will be wishing me happy birthday in the comments, so I really want to thank you for wishing me happy birthday in advance. I appreciate it so much. So I'm gonna take myself to a birthday breakfast this morning. I will be working, and also, always working, right? So that is the plan. I was gonna have some breakfast. I will be going to Lemongrass Tea Room. It's in Devon. It will be my first time there, and I hear it's a workspace as well, so I'm gonna go there and see. Hopefully it is. I really wanted to go back to Press Cafe because it's just so, I like Press Cafe actually on Fredo's Road, the new one. I actually liked it. It was really cozy and nice, but it's my birthday, let's try something new. So I'm gonna go to Lemongrass, so I'm gonna take you guys with me, and then later I'm gonna be going to Regency, my best hangout spot, and then after that Jangas. So it's gonna be a full day today, and again, thank you for appreciating my YouTube channel, and I'll see you guys when I'm at the cafe.
Looking for someone to save me from all of the things in my past. I'd do anything just to make it stop. Yeah, tired of sitting and waiting, but every time I open up, there's always someone who lets me down. So give me pain, give me pleasure, I don't mind. It's whatever, all I want is someone to love. Ease my mind, give me headache, I don't care. It's whatever, all I want is someone to love.
Hey y'all, so it's almost 5:30 and I'm all dressed. So I'm gonna head to Regency Bar at Terranova Hotel, like I told you guys earlier. So I'm just gonna have some food, more than likely wings, because their wings are bomb. I do recommend the wings, so I'm gonna have wings, drinks. They have all you can drink for $2,000 on Fridays. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do, and then after that I'm gonna head to Jangas later. I'm just dressing simple today. Nice long sleeve top. I've literally dressed like I'm coming from work, except the jeans is cut up and all of that. As you guys can see, I'm still in the same hairstyle. I won't be doing my hair. Well, actually I didn't even have time to do my hair because number one, exams is next week, so I have to be studying and work. I'm working late. I've been working late for the past 2 months, then classes, then exams. So it's like, but homegirl needs to comb my hair, so homegirl is gonna find the time to comb my hair. Remember I told you that I'm gonna do something for my birthday, going somewhere for my birthday. So I'm probably just gonna wait on that time to probably do my hair. But anyways, we're gonna turn up, so can't wait. So it's gonna have some nice drinks at Regency. So I'll see you guys there, and I'll see you guys later. Oh, by the way, remember I told you guys, well, you guys saw me earlier at the cafe. I told you guys that I was going to go at Lemongrass Tea Room. Went there today, and I asked like if this is like a workspace, whatever. Homegirl said homegirl said they don't allow laptops there. I'm gonna ask her, well, if I purchase something, I want to sit and have a laptop, how is that? But I just didn't bother to tell her, okay, thanks. And in there was so tiny. Yeah, that's just to buy what you want and get out. Like, it's not really to chill. So I went to Jacana in New Kingston, so you guys will see that. Very cute. It's reasonable small, but you have a space, a desk, you can just sit and work. But it was real cute. I like in there. Yeah, so that was what I did today, and I'm just gonna head to Regency, so I'll see you guys there.
Stop, yeah. Tired of sitting and waiting, but every time I open up, there's Siempre andaba buscando el amor de mi vida.
se acaba se me rompe el corazón. El amor a mí me suena ya como un proyecto. Te lo digo directo. Pero tenerte a mi lado pa' mí es una razón. Préndete, como un fil y sé que ya estoy encendiéndote. Siempre andaba buscando el amor de mi vida. Siempre se acaba y se me rompe el corazón. El amor a mí me suena ya como un proyecto. Te lo digo directo. Pero tenerte a mi lado pa' mí es una razón. Préndete, como un fil y sé que ya estoy encendiéndote. Y me relaja cuando sé que voy a estar viéndote. Aunque sé que lo que diga es mentira. Cuando tú me miras, mami, quiero estar comiéndote. Como un fil y sé que ya estoy encendiéndote. Y me relaja cuando sé que voy a estar viéndote. Aunque sé que lo que diga es mentira. Cuando tú me tiras, mami, quiero estar cogiéndote. Hace meses que no nos hemos visto, pero no quiero aceptar la realidad. Que lo que siento cuando echamos un polvo rico no es nada más que temporada. Acércate, baby, que quiero sentir tu piel. Ya estás sudando, rompiéndolo. Si se estás en pareja, pero hoy vas a ser infiel. Sé que estamos ahí, estoy puesto para entrar, yeah. El amor a mí me suena ya como un proyecto. Te lo digo directo. Pero tenerte en mi cama pa' mí es una razón. Como feliz sé que estoy encendiendo. Me relaja cuando sé que está viéndote. Aunque sé que lo que diga es mentira. Mami, quiero estar mentira. Cuando tú me tiras, mami, quiero estar cogiendo. Favorita, si sé la posición. Ese cuerpito siente la presión. Todo lo que te hago en la intimidad lo hago con propósito y pasión. Tu favorita, si sé la posición. Ese cuerpito siente la presión. Todo lo que hacemos en la intimidad es de fantasía, de imaginación. Préndete, como un fil y sé que ya estoy encendiéndote. Y me relaja cuando sé que voy a estar viéndote. Aunque sé que lo que diga es mentira.
Y'all, it's the next day after my birthday. I have seen all the comments and wishes. I appreciate you so much. And as you guys saw last night, I went to Regency, I went to Jangas, then I ended up at Finally. I literally got home like after 3 a.m. in the morning. Like, I haven't done that in a while. Yeah, probably not gonna happen again. Sorry. Yeah, after 3, almost 4 a.m. I was home last night. That is crazy. And I have exams next week, guys. So for tonight, it's just dinner only, and then come home and start studying because I have exams next week. My birthday is always like this. But again, I really had an awesome time, and thank you again for the wishes. We're gonna be going to Chilling Restaurant. It would be my first time there. Heard the curry goat is bomb. The curry goat is bomb, so I'm probably gonna have that, or I may just go with salmon, not sure. But you guys will see, and just come along with me to enjoy the rest of my birthday weekend.
Pretend. This love thing can take time. 3 times then I'm in. I heard through the grapevines you missing a playtime, girl. Your beauty make 'em bow down. I need that body right now, yeah. The love will never die down. Together we can fly. Don't you ever be afraid of falling in love with me. Parachute. 1 time out of 10, 4 times on the state lines. We fly till the end. My hands on the wind. 5 times want to be mine. This love thing can take time, yeah. And no matter how long it takes, I'll be right here by your side forever. And no matter the ups and downs, I'll be right here by your side.
Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more.
Maid,
Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. your touch, from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you as some.